Let's learn how you can set up and use the Tachimanga app for iOS. Just install it from the App Store. After the installation open, this app might load a few ads. I have the ad blocker, so there's no ad. Just note that this video will guide you through the most important steps. Go to More tab at the bottom. You're gonna scroll down and find the extensions. Tap on extension repositories. This is the first and foremost step in Tachimanga. To add the repository, simply tap on plus. And you can either enter a username of the repo or the URL. The repo URL for Tachimanga should end with index.min.json. We're gonna now find the extension repositories URL. Go back. Just Google search for Tachiomi extensions GitHub. Scroll down. We're gonna find one trusted source. This one here, KUC extensions. It's for Mihon and Tachiomi and will also work for Tachimanga. Scroll down. Come to usage section and you're gonna copy this link here. This one here. Copy link. Once you copy the link, go back to Tachimanga and just add the repository. Choose URL, input the repository URL, allow paste and just add. Select all the boxes and just agree. And just like that, the repository gets added. And if you tap on the repository, these are all the extensions. You can just add any of them. Just for demonstration, let's add here and also few more. Once you add the extensions, you're gonna go back. Now go to browse and these are the sources. These are the extensions. You can also add from here. All the added extensions will come to the top and also on the sources tab here. And now you can explore here. Once you do this, we can go to more tab and there's a lot of things that you can change and customize. Very general, it has app language, customize the tabs. Some features will be available only for premium users. Appearance, you can set the app theme, rotation, date format, etc. Also there's a reader setting. Make sure to choose this continuous particle mode for the best reading experience. Also there's tab zones. If you want to enable, you can enable this. It's not compulsory. Go back and there's an advanced setting here. You can check these settings for yourself and if you want to make changes, you're free to. You'll also be able to backup and restore the Tachimanga settings, extensions, etc. And you can also import a Tachiomi backup file. So like this video and subscribe to this channel.